Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this Ombre Foxy Liner look. And before watching this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. First, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand as my base for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to stick sticky tape as an extension of my lower lash line. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this Be Perfect Carnival 3 eyeshadow palette. First, I'm using this sand shade to set my concealer. Next, I'm using this black eyeshadow with a small flat brush going to draw a wing in outer corner. Again, I'm repeating the same step with brown eyeshadow and going to blend on top of the black wing. Again, I'm using black shade to make the wing more dark. Once I look completed, now it's time to take off the tape. Next, I'm using K-Beauty mascara and it's my current favorite. Its performance is very nice and it stays longer and give nice volume to the lashes. Next, I'm going to fix false lashes. For inner wing, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Liner. And this is the simple way to do ombre liner look. If you like this tutorial means please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.